The Iran-Israel war is now affecting India's economy. Oil ships are stuck, trade is disrupted, and the prices in India could rise soon. One important reason is the Strait of Hormuz. Around 20% of global oil shipments pass through this narrow passage, but because of this war, shipping in this region has become very risky. Missile and drone attacks near the strait have forced many ships to slow down or avoid the route. After the conflict escalated in late February, at least 150 oil and cargo ships anchored near the Strait of Hormuz because it had become too dangerous to pass. Now the question is, how does this impact India? See, a large share of the oil India imports from the Middle East travels through this route only. If ships cannot move freely, oil supply becomes uncertain. And when the supply is uncertain, global oil prices usually rise. If oil prices rise, petrol and diesel in India will also become more expensive. You may think, अभी ये हुआ नहीं है, but this will happen soon. Also, when the fuel becomes expensive, its impact spreads across the economy. Transport cost increases, vegetables and food become costlier. Flights and goods also become more expensive. This conflict is also affecting India's exports. For example, according to some reports, about 400,000 tons of Indian basmati rice are stuck at the ports or in transit because shipping routes to the Middle East have been disrupted. Another concern is Indians working in Gulf countries. Millions of Indians work in this region, and if the conflict spreads further, their jobs will be at stake. Remittances sent back to India could also be affected. So even though the war is happening thousands of kilometers away, its effects are already reaching India through oil prices, shipping routes, trade disruptions, and employment in the Gulf.